Hello guys, Switch here with another video, super short video, 3 minutes 37 seconds, so let's just jump to it. I'm actually super tired because doing a lot of stuff. It just despite the fact these days we can automate like social medias, but I have so much content I created, so I'm not able to physically upload this the way I wish to. But well, yeah, at some point I will manage. Anyway, so super excited about the project, obviously. And right now it's going to be lesson number 4, just 3 minutes 37 seconds. Basically, Kyle is just going to introduce us to the chat, to live chat. That's it.
Hey everyone, Kyle here. In this little tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to jump into live chat and why it is important that you start connecting with others through live chat. So first thing, where is live chat? Well, here I am on the activity dashboard. So if you click on the activity tab, here up on the top, it's next to the hubs. If you click on that, it is going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. This is all of the activity that's taking place within Wealthy Affiliate. Now, you're going to see the live chat over here to the right. It's very active all day throughout the day. If you see someone that's not there for 15 minutes or so, that can happen. Jump in the chat. There's a lot of people lurking at any moment. And there's also people that are notified as a result of the chat bubble. It will start moving when people start to communicate within the chat environment. So it's a very helpful community here and one with a lot of expertise. So if you have any questions moving forward, jump into live chat. It's going to give you access to pretty much an instant answer. You can also jump in there just to communicate, to hang out, and to network as well. It's a great medium for that. A lot of relationships, a lot of business relationships have been built through the live chat platform here. All by itself. And you know, you'll see me regularly. I'm in there several times a day. So if you want to connect with me as well, I recommend you jump into live chat. So the first thing I want you to do here is to jump in the live chat, go in there, say hello, introduce yourself. And if you have any questions, ask those questions right now, just so you can get a feel of just how helpful the community is here at Wealthy Affiliate. If you're, so let's say you're somewhere else, say you're within a hub and you need help. Say I'm in this hub here. I'm just thinking I need a hand with something. I don't know how this particular thing works. You can click the chat bubble so you don't lose your position within Wealthy Affiliate. If you're on a mobile device, you're going to see it in the bottom menu. There's always going to be a chat item present there. So as you're navigating Wealthy Affiliate, and if you don't want to lose your position and go to the activity dashboard, you can simply click on the live chat bubble here at the top. You'll also notice this is moving, and it will also show you usernames as people are actively communicating in chat as well. So click that. You can write your question. You can even close it down, go away. You'll be notified when someone gets back to you. But that's another way you can communicate within the live chat platform here. So my task for you today is to jump into a live chat, introduce yourself, and leverage it using leverage the platform moving forward, because it does allow you 24/7 communication with the community, and
Like
also,
water, my friend.
a lot of experts and like I said, I'll be in there. Carson's in there quite frequently, along with a lot of people that have been doing this for 15, 20 years that can shed their experience and insights on, pretty much any topic imaginable. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope to see you in live chat very soon. And if you have any questions about anything I've covered here, leave them in the comments. Cheers.
Okie dokie. Thank you very much guys for watching. Just stay tuned for another lessons. It was a short lesson. I don't really have anything to add. Just gonna crack on with another one. So just mark as complete. I just genuinely I wanna do this fast, as you can see, and that's why I just pumping that content into the YouTube. I don't really care. Is it just too much and will overwhelm some potential follower, whatever, subscriber, just simply because if somebody wanna actually genuinely learn, they just wanna get this content as soon as possible. So yeah, see you guys in the next video then. Take care and bye for now.